The first click sound is ch. That's ch. This sound is made by sucking air in instead of pushing it out like normal sounds. The easiest way to learn is by putting the tip of the tongue against the backs of your front upper teeth. Then use your tongue to suck air in the same way you would when trying to remove something from between your teeth. Once you get that suction sound, move the tip of your tongue slightly back onto the ridge and do the exact same thing. Now make it shorter and quickly release the tongue to the bottom. You should be producing the th sound.